This is stuffed fish, 洋鱼, 麻油鱼 from Village Chicken Restaurant, that is 炒雞飯店. This is the signature stuffed fish. Other restaurants don't sell this. The signature dish of this restaurant, Village Chicken, in Cantonese we call 洋魚. There are no bones. They remove the bones from the fish and they stuff the fish meat filling inside the fish and put back the skin and they fry. And they use oyster sauce over it. This is sweet and sour pork. This is chiang sao mein, longevity fried noodles. This is man yi mein, fried noodle. This is stir-fried 4 types of vegetables, long beans, French beans, brinjals, and petai with belacan. This is curry fish fillet, curry vegetables with fish fillet. The vegetables are long beans, brinjals, lady's fingers, and tofu pork. This is the yam basket. Cantonese we call fat bun. It's made out of a ring of yam paste. And in the center we have stir-fried vegetables with mushrooms and chicken fillet. This is fried chicken fillet with fried onion rings with sweet sour sauce. 2 big bowls of chicken rice from the same restaurant. They are all together 8 bowls of rice. I put in 2 big bowls.